Hey, so let us discuss ETF, that is exchange traded funds. Now, 99% of all ETFs are like index funds, and only 1% of them are like stocks. Uh, in order to understand ETFs better, we'll have to understand a little about mutual funds and index funds. Now, mutual funds are basically when there is a fund manager and individual people giving their money to the fund manager in order to invest in different stocks of the company. Basically, mutual funds are a better way of dissipating your risk. Okay, now the second is index funds. Index funds, the first comparison between mutual fund and index funds is that there is no fund manager in an index fund. So various people give their money, give their money to a company which then invests in Nifty or Sensex, and accordingly, if the share market goes up, the price of the index fund goes up, and likewise. So 99% of the ETF are like index funds, and you can only purchase an ETF on the stock market. So you can only purchase an ETF on the stock market. It is not a mutual fund. You cannot purchase it from an AMC. Secondly, in mutual funds, the NAV remains constant on a single day. This is not the case in ETF. So there is a chance that you can have the benefit of trading it on a single day. Also, like mutual funds, unlike mutual funds, the lot size remains same in an ETF. So it's like an IPO. So basically, whenever you directly buy shares from a company during an IPO, there are a certain number of shares which remain constant, and thereafter they are traded within amongst people in the market. This is the same scenario. This is the same scenario in an ETF as well. So if you are not able to sell an ETF in the market, you'll have to wait. This is very much unlike mutual funds, where the buying and selling, there are no limitations on it. If I want to invest in a mutual fund, or if I want to take out money, if I want to sell the mutual funds, there is never going to be a cap on it. Okay, you will always be able to sell a mutual fund and get your money back, basically. So that's it. I hope you have understood what ETFs are. It is one of the indirect ways of investing into foreign markets in India.